Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about why I get frustrated with ClearCorrect and what to do if you have a ClearCorrect case and you get that dreaded posterior open bite. So let's talk about just a quick, I have tons of videos on ClearCorrect, by the way, and the differences between ClearCorrect and Invisalign. If you want to see them, you can just go in my channel and I have all the playlists there. You can just go to Aligners or Invisalign, they're there. But just a quick recap. So ClearCorrect is a brand of aligner that has been around since 2006. Right now it's owned by a company called Straumann, which is known a great implant company. I kind of was really excited when they bought it a few years ago. I thought they'd make some major changes. So far, the only changes that they've really made has been on the educational front, which is, to me, it's like, why don't you improve the product first and then improve the education? But okay. The portal, it is much better. It's still freaking slow though. It's awful. You sit there and wait. It spins. It spins. It's certainly not even close to Invisalign's portal. But you know, portals are expensive. I've been involved in making them before. They're a lot of work. So I mean, it does take a lot of R&D money to make that. So it is better, but it's still terrible. Of course, one thing they really didn't do was improve the product. Yeah, they changed the aligner material. They went and they bought Bay Materials, which is a thermoplastic company based in, Fremont? Yeah, Fremont. Milpitas? Anyways, it's where I'm from. So one of those cities in the East Bay. I've been there. I've done some cool videos there before Straumann bought it. And so they did switch the thermoplastic material to a better material than they were using before, which was Zendura A. I think it's Zendura FLX. They don't say it is, but from what I can tell by touching, feeling it, and just by process of elimination, because I've been there in Bay Materials and I know what their options are. I mean, they only had two types of thermoplastic materials when I was there, right? So basically it's the same thermoplastic material that I use with the white label companies that I work with. So it's like, okay, I can get the exact same product, but I can get a better product for cheaper. So why would I use ClearCorrect? But anyways, so that's that. One of my biggest beefs with them is that it's so easy for them to add anterior bite turbos. It is a critical piece to the aligner outcomes that if you don't have it, you're going to have terrible outcomes and crazy things are going to happen. And when the crazy things happen, you can't fix them. And every single week, I mean, I want to thank Straumann and ClearCorrect because of them, I get a ton of business. So thanks for paying my mortgage. I appreciate it. That's one of the main ways I get customers is because they're so fed up with ClearCorrect, they come to me for help and to switch to other aligner companies. So thank you. Or they get so stuck on ClearCorrect and they can't fix it. They need me to help undo it. Most of the time I tell them I can't do it in ClearCorrect once it gets to be a hot mess. I probably see multiple cases a week that are hot ClearCorrect messes. So, and it's not the doctor's fault, to be honest. It's the product. So, and it's the treatment planning. And I'm just telling you my own opinion. I think it's terrible. So, in any case, that's my beef with ClearCorrect. So, posterior open bites are going to happen. Why? Well, because they're more rampant than they ever were because our patients are so stressed out right now that they're clenching on their plastic. They're clenching on their plastic at night. Not much we can do about that. You can do masseter Botox. That makes it go away. It's really, really helpful, but it's expensive. I get it myself. I probably spent, easily $600 just for the masseters, not for any other Botox on your face, twice a year. So that's $1,200 a year. The average American can't afford that, So for me, it's all about, not in aligners, it's about discomfort and pain and headaches and everything like that. Protecting my teeth. That's why I do it, but it is really, really great. So, I mean, to be honest, if you have to stay in ClearCorrect and you want to fix your posterior open bite, I would have your patient get masseter, like heavy masseter Botox to finish up the case. And then you're going to add attachments to the back teeth and close the bite. However, you can prevent it in the future by using anterior bite turbos. So that is the magic. So anyways, hopefully this was helpful. All right, thanks.